All right, let's see what we have here. The pink bag has arrived. I am going to mute during the plasticky sound. I will try to avoid loudness. What is it called? Oh, the Secret Treehouse Club. What could be in here? Let's find out. Love these boxes. All right, the Secret Treehouse Club. August 2026. Oh my, let's not peek. Okay, we have the Mushroom Nook Squirrel Jar. Let's find that. I'm going to just move this aside so I can open and close. All right. Hold on. I don't want to make all the plasticky noise while I look for it. Okay, I found it. Get the mushroom top. Mushroom base. Oh, look. Look, it's got a little squirrel in there. That is adorable. I like that one. That one's cute. What does that hold? 8.7 US fluid ounces, it says. All right, very good, very good. The Turtle Cove Trinket Tray is up next, and that holds 5.3 ounces. A turtle. Hold on. Okay, here it is. That's a good sized turtle. Can't go wrong with turtles, right? That one's cute. All right, what do we have next? We have the Mountain Hideaway Storage Box. Oh, look, it's got flowers on the top or something. And that holds 14.7 ounces, it says. Let's take a look at this lid. Oh, what is that? That's not flowers. What is it? Rocks? Is it rocks? What the heck is it? Probably read the description, right? All right, it says this square storage box feels like a secret drawer from a mountain. Okay, so it's rocks. Oh, I like that. That is different. I like that. Oh, what is this? Secret Treehouse Scene Kit. What in the world is this? Funny scenery stickers. What are those? Are those bunnies? That's a cat. What is it? Is it a bear? Okay, here's the little picture. I'm not gonna take it out of the package. But what the heck is that? Oh, okay, let's look at this side. This side's better. So it's a tree house with little bunny bear cat looking creatures. I don't know what those are. The ears are wrong, so I don't know. That one looks like a bear. That one looks like a bunny. That one looks like a cat. Maybe it's all three. Maybe they're all friends. I don't know. All right. What is next? Good stuff, good stuff. The Lily Grove Relief Jar. All right, let's find that one. It is this one. Yeah, it's this one. On the top's got a pretty little ruffle. Okay. And then it's got just a pretty lily on it. Oh good, it's got the styrofoam insert to keep its shape when you pour it. I like when they do that. Very nice. All right, let's set that one aside. What is next? The Midnight Cat Trinket Jar. You know, my daughter's going to want this one. Not my youngest, but my next one. Let's see, which one is it? Here it is. Get into it. I'm sorry about the crinkles. Okay, so it's just got like the hammered body. And then some ears. See the little ears? That's cute. I like that. She's gonna like that. Oh, I didn't even say. Okay, so the lily jar holds 6 ounces and the cat holds 6.6 ounces. Think so? Yeah, maybe. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. The tiny throne desk planter. We have a toilet. It is a toilet. That's hilarious. Well, you know you're going to have to make it and put it on the back of the toilet with a little succulent plant in there. That is funny. This holds 7.5 ounces. That's great. All right, the last one, the bonus mold, is the Bloom Waffle Bonus Bowl, and it holds 4.4 ounces. If I can get into it. Oh, it is. Look at it. It is a waffle. That's funny. Okay, you know what you have to do with this, don't you? I know what I need to do with this. Can I make that happen? I'll have to think how to get what I want to do. Get the inside. All right, that is it. That's cute. And we got a pair of tweezers. Can never have enough tweezers. I can never find my tweezers. So that's a pretty good box. A lot of good stuff in it. I'm a little confused by the treehouse scene, but that's all right. All right, well, that is it. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Hope the cellophane unwrapping wasn't too much for you. If you want one of these mold boxes from Resin Mold Box, I have a discount code down in my description box. So be sure to check that out and save yourself a little bit of money. I've been getting these boxes for 14 months now. I have very rarely been disappointed. There's been a few things in there that I've gone, well, I probably won't make this, but I end up making it anyway. So, always something good. I love being surprised. It's really fun. You should try them out. All right. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.